Today we are going to draw this simple and friendly looking fish. I will walk you through each of the lines, which will help you draw the exact same fish on paper. So grab your pencil, eraser, and piece of white paper, and let's get started. We will start with a blank screen, and we have a reference fish image in the top right corner. Step 1. Drawing a guideline. We will start by drawing a guideline which will help us draw this fish properly. First, draw 3 horizontal guidelines with equal space between them and name them H1, H2, and H3. Then draw 2 vertical lines which will define the length of our fish. Then draw 2 more vertical lines in between and name them V1, V2, V3, and V4. Here, the first box is for the fish mouth and eye, the middle box is for its body, and the last box is for its tail. Step 2. Outline the body shape. Now start by drawing an outline for the fish body. Draw a stretched oval from left to right. Make the left ends slightly rounded for the head, and on the right side, use the V4 and H1, H2, H3 lines to make a tail base. Keep the top and bottom slightly curved to give a proper fish shape. Step 3. Define the head. We have already drawn a mouth. Now to draw an eye, draw a hollow circular line at the H2 horizontal line. Then draw a smaller solid circle to draw the pupil. After that, draw a curved line behind the eye to draw the fish gill. Step 4. Drawing a dorsal fin. On the top of the fish, draw a fin. Start from the H1 and V2 intersection and continue till the back third of the body. After that, draw a few inner curved lines to show the ribbing of the fin. Step 5. Draw the pectoral and pelvic fins. Now add a small leaf-shaped pectoral fin near the middle of the body. For this, you can use H2 as a reference line, then add 2 small fins under the belly. Draw one near the front and another toward the back. To make it look better, add a few rays to each of the fins. Step 6. Working on the tail fin. On the right, where the fish body gets narrow, draw a curved line which will differentiate the fish body from the tail. Then, add several thin curved lines inside the tail to show the fin rays. With that, we have finished drawing a fish. Now, if you want to make it even more beautiful, you can choose a darker pencil or fine liner to smooth out any rough shapes. Now I want to give you an exercise. I want you to make it even better by adding light shading to its belly and under the fins to add depth. Once you do that, you can start coloring it. With that, you have learned to draw a simple fish. Now, if you like this step-by-step guide for drawing a fish, then subscribe. And do share this video with your friends and colleagues so that even they can learn to draw fish.